Hi there, my name's Michael Siraco and I'm your tire specialist here at Woburn Toyota. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about how to service your vehicle, and I'd like to go over some of these topics with you folks today. There are two reasons why you should replace your tires. Those two factors would be the age of the tire and the tread of the tire. The rubber used to manufacture your tires over time will age. Around the 5 to 6 year mark of the age of your tires, you'll start to notice splitting in the treads or splitting and cracking on the side of the tire. A great way that you can check the age of your tire at home is actually located on the tire itself. It's called a DOT number, Department of Transportation. The last 4 digits of this number will tell you how old your tire is. The first 2 numbers will signify the week that the tire was manufactured. The last 2 numbers will signify the year. Now, when your tires start to wear down and your tread gets smaller, your car loses the ability to grip the road as well, whether that's traveling down the road or taking a sharp corner. Most new tires come with between 10 and 12/32 of an inch of tread from the factory. When a tire's worn down to 4/32 of an inch of tread, that's when it's no longer considered to be safe driving in rain or snowy conditions. This would be considered in the yellow on your multi-point inspection. When a tire's at 2/32 of an inch of tread, that's when it's considered in the red and is no longer considered safe for public roads. Make your way on down to Woburn Toyota as soon as possible to have that tire replaced. Here at Woburn Toyota, whenever you bring your vehicle here for service, we'll perform a detailed inspection of your tires and report that information back to you as soon as possible. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions and concerns today. If you have any more, please reach out to us, connect with us here at Woburn Toyota, part of Albrecht Auto Group, where you'll always get respect.
Connect with all. You'll get respect.